Let's go see. I started working yesterday at 1, and still. See, this is what happens when you own a company and you start a job and it's still not complete. All your help is gone, but your job's still not finished yet. Still not done. Nope, I started yesterday, had to go to the laundromat, didn't get home till almost 8 o'clock from the laundromat, and now I gotta fold all this stuff and put it away. Yeah, my job still ain't done. I'm done getting paid, but my job ain't done. Yeah.